Hey guys, it's me Emma, and I'm here with Lara, and it is
It is. Oh crap! It's 2:59. If you guys can see.
I am. And we
Saturday, January 20th. This is currently the date we are filming on. So yeah.
Right, it's almost 3 a.m. and we are going to be making slime at 3 a.m.
Oh my god. So yeah, let's get into the video.
So we're gonna start by adding in our Elmer's glue.
Oh my god, I'm gonna fall asleep. I am so scared, you guys. What's gonna happen?
Why is the glue like chunky?
I don't know.
Chunkier than usual. The glue farted.
Oh,
Making noises. Oh my god, why is it making these noises?
I don't know. It sounds like a freaking ghost. Okay. Oh no, I got it on my hand. Oh no, that's bad luck. Crap. Okay. So now what we're gonna add in is we're gonna start by first we're gonna add in some lotion. We are actually gonna make crunchy slime today, but I found out that when you add the foam balls in at the end, the lotion helps it to stick better. So I'm gonna go a couple squirts and then stir that up. So we'll be back when that's stirred in.
Oh my god, this is so satisfying.
It's so satisfying, you guys. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we are going to add in this blue glitter here. Oh, I'm gonna freaking fall asleep. Emma, how are you up at this time? I'm so tired.
I'm so ready. The glitter's not showing.
I need to shine this in my eye.
Oh, don't shine that in your eye. Yeah, I'm gonna add some more glitter in movies.
So you guys, the glitter finally showed up, and it's like really good in the slime. And so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding our detergent, which is borax right now. So we'll be back when that's done. So Emma went to the bathroom, so I'm just gonna start stirring in some activator. Don't worry about those noises. They're just the sound. It's 3:09, you guys. I'm so scared. Okay. Emma, are you almost here?
Yeah, I'm coming.
Okay. Oh, I hate these videos. Like, why do we do this? My parents are sleeping though, so I'm really scared about the lights though. Because like that happened and I was like, what the heck?
Yeah, that doesn't happen here.
No, it's like,
Okay.
we'll be back when this is done. Okay, you guys, so the slime is almost coming together. I don't know why the camera shut off. I'm sorry for that. Could you pour some in?
I want to mix that. You
Okay.
yeah, there's an activator on me.
Whatever. Oh my god, it's 3:11. What the heck?
Only?
Yeah, it's only 3:11. Nice. Oh my god, I'm so tired.
This slime doesn't feel
Okay.
Slime's like, ew.
Emma, it's not ready.
Ew.
We'll be back when it's ready. This time I promise it'll be ready.
Okay, so we've just been mixing and it's like still not coming together.
I know. Okay guys, so this is the slime. I'm so scared, you guys. Okay.
Here, you want to add some foam beads?
Yeah, we're gonna go add some foam beads.
Get the case.
And we'll be back when this is done.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh god, Lara.
It's fine. It's cute. Look at this.
Here. I don't know.
Yeah. We'll be back when we finished massaging this end.
That's the project.
Okay, so it is 3:19, you guys. That was a fun video I made, but I'm super scared now. We have to get to bed. I don't know. Oh my god.
Comment down below.
Comment down below what we should do for the next video. And
bye.